Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dave Hayes, and this is Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. This is the channel where we talk about pretty much anything tech. The last video I put out was on this microphone. It's called a BM-800. I'm not sure what the nomenclature or exact name of the microphone is, but through eBay, this is what the microphone is being called. It is the BM-800. Now, in my last video, I told you guys that the audio quality was terrible. Believe me, I was very, very wrong, and I couldn't change my video. It was already, I had everything going, and then I figured out how to fix it after I'd already shot the video and created a new ending. So in this video, I want to show you guys what I did to get this microphone to sound almost as good as my Blue Yeti. So when we come back, we're going to go ahead and get into that. And I promise I'm going to keep this video very short. And as always, if you liked my video, don't forget to hit that like button and share my videos. It really helps me out. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, think about subscribing. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. That way you get a notification of my videos as soon as I release them. Okay, now I have this microphone hooked up to my laptop, and I have my Blue Yeti hooked up to the laptop. My Blue Yeti is here only as a backup. We're going to try to keep all of the audio in this video coming through the BM-800. What I learned was when recording, after the recording was finished, what I would do is I would open up that recording in Audacity and hit the play button, and Audacity not only records audio, but it also gives you options in changing that audio. And basically what I did was, I don't know if it has it here. I don't know if I can bring it up on one of these or not. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to capture audio. You're going to want to open up Audacity. And you are going to want to record. Okay, so when you record something, basically you just click the record button and you'll notice all that. Basically get your recording, and I'm going to show you here. When you're done with your recording, you want to hit stop, or stop recording. But one thing I want to tell you, you need an area where there's no talking. Okay, now see that area there, right here, there's no talking. You need that. So we're going to go ahead and click stop. And right now we're going to play it. And you'll notice all that. That's actually not bad. Recording, I'm going to show you here. But we're going to try to clean that up a little bit more. Stop. So we're going to hit stop. Now I want to find that area where we had where we had that big space at right here. Now I'm going to go export MP3 test 1. I'm going to click save. Okay. I'm going to close this out. Now I'm going to open up Audacity again by double clicking it. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in that file. So I'm going to file, open. I have to find it. I think it saves it on top. Yeah, test 1. So it just saves it on my desktop. So I'm going to click that, open. Now we have to actually, in order to do this, we're going to go to Effects, go down to Noise Reduction, Oh, okay, we have to actually select an area first. So, there we go. We have to be, your cursor has to be inside the colored area here. Now, once you have an area with no audio on it, we're going to go back up to Effects, go back down to Noise Reduction. First thing you want to do is get Noise Profile. So, but you have to have an area highlighted with no talking in it. So, click on that. Okay, now it's already got that profile, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to select the whole thing, and I'm going to go back up to Effects, go back down to Noise Reduction. Notice now I have some information plugged in for me. It took that area that I chose for it to, look at, and it pulled out as much information as it could from that 3 to 4 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. It's applied the noise reduction to it, and we're going to go ahead and click play it now. I want to hear it, and you'll notice all that. It seems to be a lot clearer. Basically, get your recording, and I'm going to show you here. All right, that's when pretty you're done much with your recording, you want to hit stop, or stop recording. But one thing I want to tell you is you need an area where there's no talking. MP3, click save. Okay, I'm going to build that file. I'm going to close this out. No, I don't want to save it. Now the edited audio, or test 2, that's the one we want to keep. So there you go. That's how you do it. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Yeah, it's under effect. It completely gets rid of that really, really bad hiss I was telling you guys about. I mean, it was bad. It was to the point where I was going to tell you not to purchase this microphone. But after I listened to my video with those enhancements from Audacity, it actually sounded pretty good. Now, it is nowhere near the quality of my Blue Yeti. I'm going to go ahead and switch to my Blue Yeti now. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. You guys can definitely tell the difference in the sound quality. This thing was designed around a USB interface. So that means everything it needs is built right into the microphone. I keep bumping it. Whereas this one is an XLR microphone. And the only way we can get this to work the same way this one works is with like a little sound card that we plug into the computer. But like I said in the beginning of this video, after I was editing my other video and I threw that fix in it that Audacity has, I realized that the audio really sounded pretty good. And again, we're using this microphone for this whole video. So, as it stands right now, I can recommend this microphone for those of you out there who want to use it, on your computer with the USB cable, and it's an XLR to USB cable that it comes with, and just use. And I highly recommend you guys use Audacity. It's a free program that you can download and run for nothing, and I mean zero money out of your pocket. But I do highly recommend using a program like Audacity. And if you normalize it, or what was it called again? It's under. See, that's my stroke brain. It's under Effect. If you use Noise Reduction, that's what it's called. What they do is they tell you pick an area where there's no talking at all. And it needs to be at least 1 to 2 seconds long, and you highlight that area, and then you click it again and go down to normalize, and then just hit apply. And what it does is it takes that area that you picked and it listens to that, goes through the rest of your soundtrack, and just pulls that hiss out of it. So that's a pretty nice feature, and it really makes a difference for this microphone. Okay, well guys, I told you I was going to keep this video short and sweet, and I promised you that I would, and I'm going to stick to that promise. By the way guys, I'm also running my Canon M50 over here. Like I said before, I always run with 2 cameras because you never know. But I just figured I'd let you guys know. You always ask me, how do you do your videos? My Canon M50 is here, my 90D is here, and I'm not running any cameras in the background looking, because I just wanted to do this really, really quick. But that's basically how I do it. Again, Blue Yeti for my microphone, although this time I'm using the BM800. So, as it goes right now, I can highly recommend this microphone. It is a $24 microphone from eBay. You get the microphone, the stand, everything. All you got to do is plug it into your computer. You're ready to go. I mean, it comes with the pop filter. It comes with one of those little black pop filters that slide over the microphone. So either one, you know. But again, I can highly recommend this microphone, and as soon as I can get an XLR sound recorder, we're going to try this again using that. So we'll see if the audio quality changes drastically or if there's no improvement at all. So be looking for that video. Remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like button. It really does help me out. And if you're new to the channel and you like, my video, you know, maybe I helped you out, think about subscribing. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. That way you guys get notified of any videos as soon as I release them. Again, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.